Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wanted to create stunning realistic images or even videos just by typing a simple text prompt? Well, today I'm going to show you an amazing tool called Pipit.ai with its powerful NanoBanana Pro feature. Trust me, this tool makes creating high-quality visuals easier than ever before. Getting started. Once you create an account on Pippit.ai, you'll land on a dashboard that's super easy to navigate. Right at the top, you'll find the prompt bar where you can type anything you want to create. Below that, you'll see its popular features like AI talking photo, avatar videos, product photos, and much more. Plus, you can explore trending templates to get creative ideas instantly, creating images with text prompts. Let's start with something simple. Suppose I type, create an ultra-realistic portrait of a futuristic city skyline at sunset, with neon lights reflecting on wet streets. I can choose the aspect ratio, add a reference image if I want, or just go with the text prompt. Then, I hit generate, wait 5 to 10 seconds, and voila, my image is ready to preview. It's that simple. You can repeat this with any idea you have. For example, create a magical jungle forest with glowing plants and floating islands. Pipit.ai will generate images exactly according to your prompt, or even a realistic family scene. A happy family of 4 playing in the garden, parents throwing a frisbee while kids run around laughing. And you can download them in PNG or JPG format with or without a watermark. But wait, Pipit.ai doesn't stop there. Let's explore some of its advanced tools. Upscale. Increase your image resolution without losing quality. Perfect for 4K projects. Inpaint. Add objects to your image. Outpaint and erase. Expand your images or remove unwanted elements seamlessly. You can even upload an image to guide the AI. For instance, I uploaded a Spider-Man image and typed, superhero standing on the edge of a skyscraper at night, city lights glowing below, wind blowing the cape, dramatic angle and effects. The result? Incredible 4K quality superhero images. Now, I will use the Inpaint tool. I will highlight the selected area. For example, type add helicopter in the sky, select the area, hit generate, and it's done. Create videos with images. And here's the really cool part. You can convert your images into videos. Pipit.ai supports Google Video 3 and Sora 2, making it an all-in-one solution for creators. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who loves making visuals, Pipit.ai with NanoBanana Pro is a must-try. Closing. So that's it for today. As you can see, creating stunning images and videos has never been easier. Don't forget, the link to Pipit.ai is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear what amazing creations you make with Pipit.ai. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.